what about taking notes on audiobooks? To do this, there are 3 strategies that you can use. First of all, I realized a really good way to learn is to talk about things out loud. When you're listening to audiobooks, something you can do is when you've learned something or you want to ingrain something in your mind, pause it and then repeat it out loud in your own words. This will help ingrain it in your mind. And then the second thing you can do is actually write it down in a notebook or in your phone. Obviously, you don't want to do this when driving, so use the first strategy where you repeat it out loud, and then when you get to wherever you're going, you can take a minute and write down all those things that you said out loud. But the third thing you can do that I've started doing more and more recently is to listen to the audiobook, but have the physical book with me. That way, if I'm driving, for example, and when I get to my destination, I'll write the notes directly in the book and I'll mark the sections that really stuck with me. And afterwards, I'll still have the book where I can go back, I can read it, and I can review my notes of the book. I think the biggest drawback of that is paying for both a book and an audiobook, but something I found that's been really helpful that I actually use almost every time is looking on YouTube and seeing if you can find the audiobook on there, and then all you need to really buy is the physical book.